like them. It sucks me out to think like them.
Hi, you guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and I'm back. I'm finally back from vacation. Got to see that little grandbaby, and I'm not sure what order I'm going to put these up, so I will put a picture of her right here. She's precious. She's perfect, and boy, are we going to screw her up. Anyhow, today I'm doing April's ice cream box. Now, if you haven't been here, I always say this is my favorite makeup box. Now, they also have a back box, but I did discontinue the box. And I have full intentions of getting a perfume sample box, but I have looked for like 4 hours, and every perfume sample, they don't have it anywhere you can put, I don't like this smell or that smell. Well, there's 2 smells in the universe, well, 3 smells that totally make me sick. Patchouli, coffee, and musk. And musk and patchouli smell like mold to me. So, I mean, they don't other people, but they do to me. And every sample I looked at, and every one of those things had one of the above. So I'm going to continue looking, because I did discontinue the bag. But I'm also thinking of bringing on, it's called DIY Project Home. So I might get that one instead. But anyhow, this box, if you're interested, is $25 a month. And with that, you get 5 to 7 full-size items. And that includes shipping. They also have a box that I believe is like $16. Anyhow, all the information will be down below. And there's a link down below for you to subscribe to the channel. And there's a link that takes you right to these. But the bag, I believe, is 3 to 5 items. And it's $16 plus I think it's $3.50 shipping. And those are all full-size items also. This is for the month of April. And you open it. Now, normally, when you open yours, there will be a bunch of those dissolvable peanuts. And I take them out because I tend to get them all over my freaking house. And by the time I do one video, we have mess carnation. But anyhow, I'm going to just do these videos, all April's videos, back to back to back the next 3 or 4 days, however many it takes, just to get them out so we're caught up with these. Because, you know, like the Timu and stuff, oh yeah, there's plenty, but it can all be caught up at a later date. So, anyway, okay, we're going to start with Enzyme Beauty Diary. It has a little mirror here, but I'm going to flip it. Let's see what this is. Oh, and on these, both the box and the bag, you are guaranteed at least 1 palette. Oh, here it is. And this is a $20 value. And this is a contour palette by Enzyme Beauty Diaries. And these are the colors. So you can use them highlighters, bronzers. You could use them as blush if it's... That's that. And that's a $20 value. Well, trying to put them back in order. I'm making a mess here. Okay. Then we have Earth Harbor Glow Juice. I don't know if I showed you the front of that box. That's for the contour palette. And this is valued at $40. I've gotten this in other boxes. And it's nice. Let's see, that's what it looks like. And if you see, it kind of looks like slime, but it rubs in really quickly. But it It does kind of feel like slime when you first put it on, but it does blend in really quickly. So just so you're aware of that, the slime does not stick around. So there's that. And I do like Earth Harbor. It's a really good brand. I don't think I've ever found anything from Earth Harbor I didn't like. So there's been a few things that I look at and say, really? But then after I tried it, it was great. So that's that. And that's a $40 value. Then we got candy cane. Candy cane loose monochrome pigments by Saucebox Beauty, and these are exclusive to them, but they're a $24 value for both of these. And there's that one. We've gotten these in here before, but I think it was in my bag that I no longer get now. So there's that one. These are nice. Okay. And then we get purple highlighter palette by Kevin and Coco. And that's what that looks like. Oops. And there's a mirror on the lid, which I can, but I don't want to blind you. So we'll do this. And those are the different colors of highlighters. I'm going to try a couple of these just because I never have. I don't know if you can see it there. They're very faint, which actually I like in the highlighter, quite honestly. Some of them, but they're right here. I don't know if you can see them or not. They're right here. There's the purple one and there's the white one. Let's try this one next to them. And this is a rose gold. And you could use that for eyeshadow too. So, yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that's nice. And then, and that was a value of $17. And this is the Tarot Palettes by Saucebox Cosmetics. And they were $25 a piece. And you could have got the Magician, the Lovers, or the Moon. And I got the Lovers. And that's what that looks like. And again, there's a mirror on the top, so I'll just fold it back. And those are the colors. Let me take the plastic off. Maybe. I had it off once and it fell right back in place. Okay, there we go. Those are the colors. And I'll do this pink and this pink. I'm going to do this matte green. This pink needs double take. And there's those, and they are buildable because I did that one twice. But here's the green, the pink, and so that was our April box from Eyescream. And you know, you're guaranteed a palette in every box, but this time, as you can see, we got three. We got three palettes. We got a contour palette. We got highlighter palette, and we got eyeshadow palette. Plus, we got these two eyeshadows and this Earth Harbor. And I will put the total value of the box up here because I do have it on my phone because I did already add all that up. But as you can see, this is a makeup heavy box. Always well worth the money. And it's one of my favorites. I get excited every time I see it. And every time it comes. So I've never had a bad box from them. I've only had higher than expected boxes from them. So I highly recommend it. And like I said, all the links will be down below. Feel free to like and subscribe. It really does help our channel. And come on back. Bye.